Today we're going to bring an electrical air pump. Now this is perfect to add any air to any mattresses or any inflatable devices that you have. This is a perfect. This system inflates and deflates any objects that you add to it. Now included with it, the actual hose itself, so it could convert to inflate or deflate. All the extensions you're going to require. Additional power connection if you're going to connect it directly straight to a battery, because this actually runs on battery, right, on car battery, and I'm going to show you the adapter. There's no other connection to connect it other than that. All right, now another thing is that they give you the manual, instructions, and a carrying bag for everything. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual system itself. You got the PSI, if you know your system that you can inflate. You got lights, because this does have lights, if you guys can see in the front and the lights, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about it. You got your settings here, you got your power, plus and minus, and including in here is the actual system where you have to charge it to. Right, this is only a car adapter, so like I said, from a car adapter to straight to the battery, you can do that too. In case your car doesn't turn on, if you don't turn on your car and you need to use it, you can always attach it to the battery itself too. So additional stuff's included in here, like I said, in the bag, the instructions and so forth. Now when you're using this, there's two ways of using it. It tells you instructions, inflate and deflate, and of course lights. We have LED lights, so if you're doing this in a campground at night, this is perfect. Now to inflate, it'll be here, the connection. To deflate, it'll be in here, the connection. So this is going to help you take the air faster out of it. So this is a good device. Everything's included in the bag. So we're going to put this to test and see how it works. All right, so we have it pumped here to an actual air mattress. We're going to see how fast it is. So we have to run the cable to our actual lighter input, if you guys can see. So I do have one on the side. Before I start, I put it on inflate instead of deflate. All right, and then I actually didn't need an adapter because the automatic fit in here. So we'll see how fast it inflates. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up right now. To set, we're gonna put it in high. I'm gonna turn it on. So the pump is that loud. All right, just want you to see that. We finished the inflating, so I'm gonna turn it off. It's super loud. Now we're gonna deflate the actual bed, so make sure you change it on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna go from deflate to deflate, so we can put this away. All right, start taking the air out. All right, you guys can see deflating the actual system. So just make sure you put deflate and let it sit there, and go ahead and make sure all the air is out.